Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the video. Today it's going to be getting started in the stock market follow along part 2. Uh, for this follow along, the transactions were made on June 25th, 2021. All right, let's get into the first slide. So really quick recap for this week. We were trying to get Amazon, Nvidia, and FRCOY. FRCOY is Uniqlo. On Monday, we already got enough Amazon for the portfolio, so that's all done. And then we got also a little bit of Nvidia and FRCOY, but I had to add more position by the end of this week. So this is what I got. I got one more share of Nvidia. This was on June 25th at 11 a.m. for $762.30. So for Nvidia, let's zoom out a bit. Uh, and here you can see that it is pretty much at the top. I got it close to the top. So here for the 52-week high, it was $776.86. No, not 86 cents, 80 cents. And I got it for 762.30. So not quite at the height, but like pretty close. And you can see that if I had gotten it earlier in the week, I could have gotten it for a cheaper price. And I did get it earlier that week, but I didn't know it was gonna go up right after that. Like you never know for sure. And as David Gardner says, one guy that I learned a lot from is do not be afraid to buy at the top. And David also says dips buy on dips. Well, I don't agree 100% with that because occasionally I do buy on dips, but for me, if I were to rephrase it, I would say dips always wait for dips. So for me, I like to wait for dips sometimes, but I don't always wait for them. I prefer to DCA my way into a stock like dollar cost average. So the way I like to do it is maybe if I do want to wait for a dip, give myself maybe a 1 or 2 week time limit. And if that dip never comes, then just buy it. Just buy it. Just give yourself 1 or 2 weeks. If it doesn't come, just buy it. And sometimes you are able to get it at a good price, like how I was able to get it on Monday, I believe. Yeah. Anyway, that was Nvidia. Let's keep going. I also got FRCOY. I got 13 shares of that for 74.50 each. As you can see from the 5-day chart, I also got it close to the top here, but I mean, no big deal. And let's see, next slide. This is a screenshot of the portfolio so far. If you want to check the Google Sheets out, you can check that in the description below. And here, as you can see, for the 25th, I got Nvidia 1 share and FRCOY 13 shares. Right now, those two are losing to the market, but the two that I got on the 21st, those two are beating the market. Overall, the portfolio so far has a 0.21% return, with the SPY having a 1.74% return. So far we're losing to the spider by 1.53%, but at least it's going up. Plus, it's only been like less than a week, so I mean, it's not all that important right now. And oh, also for the amount I spent, you can see right here, the goal for each week was to spend roughly $7,000. So I spent a little under that, $6,991.86. So that means that I have extra $8.14. So that just means I'll spend a little more like next week or in the weeks to come. So yeah. Next slide. Goals for week 2. Just do nothing, absolutely nothing. Just hold the current positions. Even if you see it go, if I see the market go down, I won't buy anything. Just hold and do nothing. Next buying session is going to be week 3, which is July 5th through 9th. For that, I'm gonna spend roughly another $7,000 for that portfolio. And I'm curious what you guys want to see. Do you want me to try and time the market again like I did last week, or do you want me to just do like a fixed date and time for that week 3? Anyway, just let me know what you guys want in the comments below, and then I'll do whatever you guys want. And also for week 3, the goal for now is to get a little bit more Nvidia and maybe Zoom, but I'd really need to wait for the June 2nd prices at market close. Once those prices come out, then I can get a more solid idea of what I want to buy. And why is that? Because, let me go back a little bit. As you can see here, I want to prioritize the stocks with the highest share price right now. So since these prices can change a lot in a week, maybe like Nvidia and Zoom, they could go down a lot or they could go up a lot. I want to just prioritize right now the highest share price, and for now that's more Nvidia. I haven't filled out my Nvidia position, and also Zoom. The reason why I chose Zoom is because this 375, it is the highest of the remaining. Like all these here, these prices here, they are all lower than 375. So that's why Zoom is the priority right now. But if for some reason something else shoots up, like I don't know, maybe Match or Teladoc, if that does shoot up to beyond 375 or a price higher than Zoom, then those would become a priority. Let's go back. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for goals. And yeah, final notes. If you don't know, my goal is to outperform the S&P 500. You can check out my performance in the Google Sheets below if you want. That'll compare all of my stock picks to the spider and see how I'm doing against that. And also sometimes I post updates in the discussion tab of my YouTube channel. You can check that out if you want. Just click discussion and then sort by newest first. That way you can see the newest comment at the top. For some reason, I don't know why, but YouTube doesn't always post the newest comment at the top. So yeah, just click newest first. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.